thank all the reporters, journalists, photographers, camera persons, individuals, groups, companies everywhere in the world for all your contributions of news that bring hope to humans and animals, thus uplifting the atmosphere of our planet. May heaven bless your noble endeavors and protect you always, especially while on duty.
Unification through Heavenly Melody, a video conference between master and Aulacese artists, was held on Saturday, January 20th, in celebration of many talented artists, as well as in honor of special guest, beloved Supreme Master Ching. Organized by members of the Supreme Master Ching International Association in Aulac, also known as Vietnam, with help from event companies Vũng Digital and entertainment company in Minh Hà Studio. The joyful conference took place in the picturesque village of Bình, Châu, Xuyên district, Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu province, along the country's southeastern coast. With approximately 500 guests and 50 VIPs in attendance, including outstanding actress Hương Nhung, renowned fashion designer Lê Minh Ngọc, and highly acclaimed artists Hồng Liêng and Phàng Nhi. The spectacular event showcased an array of star-studded performances, beginning with one of Aulac's or Vietnam's top singers, esteemed Hồ Quỳnh Hương, followed by many brilliant performers including famous opera actor Hệ Sa, acclaimed singers Phong Thủy and Hà Okio, and celebrated opera actor Minh Minh Tâm. Supreme Master Ching Hai's poem, Renunciation, written during the time of her journey towards spiritual attainment, was superbly performed in the style of Huế traditional singing by singer Kim Tuyến and artists of merit Phong Thủy and Thu Hằng. Famous Aulacese or Vietnamese musician Công Thanh Bích ingeniously composed the music to Supreme Master Ching Hai's poem, It Is Not So, My Love, sung beautifully by noble singer Kiều Anh. Specially invited as the ceremony's honored guest, Supreme Master Ching Hai graciously attended via a live video link and kindly answered questions from various notable artists. A highlight of the event was Supreme Master Ching Hai's loving words for all the world's artists.
Nhiều khi những người nghệ sĩ vô danh nhưng mà họ cống hiến cho đời rất là nhiều. Tại sao cảm ơn tất cả mọi người mà không cảm ơn nghệ sĩ? Nghệ sĩ là những người đem lại rất nhiều an ủi tinh thần cũng như vật chất, rất nhiều hạnh phúc, rất nhiều sự vui mừng, sung sướng cho những người trên thế gian này. Cái nghề nghệ sĩ thế giới này tôi hy vọng là tất cả thế giới sẽ chấp nhận, tất cả thế giới sẽ kỷ niệm, phải làm kỷ niệm lớn cũng như những ngày lễ khác. Để cho vinh danh những người nghệ sĩ, để những người nghệ sĩ đã quá cố, tâm hồn họ cũng được thơ thới ở bên kia, và những người nghệ sĩ đang sống, dầu là họ đối diện những sự khốn cùng, để đem lại cho cuộc đời nhiều hạnh phúc, họ cũng được thỏa mãn, cũng được vui vẻ rất nhiều. Và cảm ơn quý vị, cảm ơn quý vị.
Our heartfelt applause and sincere appreciation, all artists, for your soul-touching and heavenly melodies and performances. Many thanks to companies Vũng Digital and Entertainment Company and Minh Hà Studio for your professionalism and expertise in delivering an exceptional event. Our deepest gratitude to Supreme Master Ching Hai for her boundless love shared unconditionally with the world as we pray for her mission's success. and an everlasting peace on earth. Please tune in to Supreme Master Television for the full broadcast of the Unification through Heavenly Melody, a video conference between Master and Aulacese artists, at a later date on Enlightening Entertainment, with multi-language subtitles.
We joyfully announce today that our beloved Supreme Master Ching has designated April 3rd as International Artist Day.
April 3rd, International Artist Day, a day of celebration and appreciation, a day of love and honor in the names of all the wonderful artists, poets, writers, painters, actors, actresses, singers, musicians, composers, film and theater directors, choreographers, entertainers, etc. in every field, who lighten up our lives and soothe our hearts with their artistic talents. With deep appreciation and praise to all the unique and gifted artists who bring so much joy, happiness, peace, and harmony into our world. My heavens bless you all in your continuous, joyful, and noble work. We love you.
We thank all the reporters, journalists, photographers, camera persons, individuals, groups, companies everywhere in the world for all your contributions of news that bring hope to humans and animals, thus uplifting the atmosphere of our planet. May heaven bless your noble endeavors and protect you always, especially while on duty.
For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/NWN.